translation. So let's just make a rough X and Y axis. Remember, that's the X and that's the Y. And we did this in the previous video when we did ordered pairs. We wanted to plot points. So we'll just review very quickly. What if I had a point right there on the x-axis and we called it A? Why not? Start with the first letter. What is the point? What is the ordered pair of A? Well, we count, right? That's the origin. The origin is 0, 0. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 for the x, and it's 0 for the y. But if we had a point up here, let's make another rough hash marks, right? Let's say we had a point there and we call that B. What would B be? Well, the x is at the 0, right? The x is at the 0, and the y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The y is at the 5, so it's 0, 5 for B. Well, let's do another one. Let's say we had a point way over here, right, in the negative world. Call that C. Why not? Call it C. So what is the ordered pair of C? Again, remember, x comes first. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But it's negative 7. So the C is negative 7, and the y is 0. Now, if I asked you how far is Z, not Z, C, right, C to A, what's the distance between C and A? Well, just count the units. Remember, each slash is a unit, so it's 1. Don't count the first one, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So from C to A, it's 11 units. Say 11 units. All right. Now let's say I had another one here, and let's get some juice and flowing in this. Let's say I had another one right here. Call it D. What's the distance between D and B? Again, count the units. And again, you don't count the first one. A lot of students make a mistake of counting the first one. You don't count the first one, right? You count the next one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Same thing. It's the same distance. From D to B is the same distance of C to A. So that's how we do distance on the grid. The next thing we're going to talk about is called translations. All right. Now, translations are part of something called transformations, and we'll talk about that in other videos. But in translations, all you're going to tell me is how to get from one point to the other point. It's like a map. It's like asking for directions. All right. So let's make a grid. Okay, let's go over here, and we'll make a little rough. This is a rough grid, remember, so it's not exact. We need graph paper for that, and we'll go to doing graph paper in a minute. So let's say we had a point right there, and we call it the pizza parlor. And then we had a point right here, and we call that's your house, right? So if I wanted to know how do you get from the pizza parlor to your house, you can do a translation. Now with translations, we just want to know left, right, up, and down, not diagonal. Obviously, you can just diagonally, you can go from the pizza parlor to the house. Diagonally, that's a shortcut. But for translations, we go, and for this grade level, we just want to know left, right, up, and down. So from the pizza parlor to your house, if we go left, we would go that way actually. That's left, right? Your left is over there. So we want to go right. And we want to go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. So we want to go 7 units to the right. Or we can just say 7 units right. 7 units right. But if we go 7 units right, we're here. We still have to go down. And how far down do we have to go? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to go 4 units down. Right? There was another one right here, right? So this is the translation. This is all the translation is. It's telling you how to get from the pizza parlor to your house. So what if I had one here? Tell me, let's say we call this the library. Tell me how I would get from the library to the pizza parlor. What do you think? Well, again, we want to go either left or right. In this case, we'll go left first. And normally in translations, you want to do the left and right first, then the up and down, but it really doesn't matter. And when you do the left and right, that's the X, right? So let's go, so we're basically up here in this line, and if we go left, it's 1, 2, 3. So from the library to the pizza parlor, it's 3 to the left, 3 units, and then how far up we got to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 up, right? So that's the translations. That's all they are. Now let's go to the whiteboard and we'll look at a Cartesian grid or coordinate plane on graph paper. All right, so here's quadrant 1. So let's just say, I'll put a point right here. You can see this a little better. And we can count the units, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So that would be 8 for the X. And for the Y, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 8, 6. That's what that point would be on the grid. So if I wanted to put a point here, and this is the negative side, right? Remember, this is the X-axis and this is the Y-axis. So on the negative side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Actually, it's 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be negative 4, negative 4. So if I wanted to go from this point, we'll call this A, to B, we want to go this way, right? We want to go right. So we want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We want to go 12 to the right. And then we want to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 up. 12 right, 10 up. So that's all translations are. And even though you're in the negative section over here, you're not counting negatives. You just count the boxes. That's all you do, no matter what quadrant you're in. And again, let's say we had a point right here. We call it C. What's the distance between C and A? Just count the boxes. You don't care that this is in the negative and this is in the positive. Just count. From here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The distance is 14 units. So that's how we do distance, and that's how we do translations. All right, great job.